my fellow butterflies, I'm going to teach you guys how to get cute widgets 3. First, you need to download this app. Now you're gonna download. To make a widget, choose some sizes like small, medium, etc. You can add more if you'd like. You can add from photos or files 3. Now to get cute images, I recommend Pinterest. You can use Google if you want, but Pin has the best. You can search based on which theme you're going for. My theme is preppy, so I'm gonna search that. Now download which images you like. To find my widgets, search preppy. There are a lot of images, which gives wide variety types of images. I'm just gonna scroll to show some images you might like. Once you got the images you liked, go to Widgetsmith again. Then add the image to your size. For example, I'm doing medium. Then long tap on the screen too. Add the widget. Click the plus button in the corner. Search Widgetsmith. Then pick the size of your liking. I'm choosing small, for example. Then long tap and click Edit Widget. Choose one you're going for. And there you have it. Now to get the cute clock, you're gonna need to download one more app. Then do the same with adding your widget. You can pick which one. I use this one. So there you have it.